Liability insurance for contractor workers and compensation insurance. Commercial liability insurance get 5 crore cover just 25,000 pound flexible coverage options. Third party liability coverage and damage caused by third party get policy online. Commercial liability, business liability, business liability policy, instant online VC policy, ICI Lambert VC insurance by an insurance online compensative or your employer of your familiar during the unfortunate accident at the workplace by workman. Compensation insurance is a few clicks extra coverage on explanation disease by now 100% claim assistant 20 years of brand trust multiple ad cover on cashless medical expenses get caught comprehensive flexible customized healthcare intensive policy insurance coverage accidental death cover permanent disability employee compensation policy reliance general insurance protect your employee health cover that partial disability temporary disability of employee when at work by now cover your employees health like a boss with reliance employee compensation policy immediately coverage cover comprehensive insurance worker compensation insurance to pay medical bills lost wages and other costs if an employee is sick and injured due to their general liability insurance on the other hand protect your business and insurance and the claims against your journey and bear bodily injury and property damage and advertisement injury worker compensation versus general liability insurance of FOPs. What is difference between workers compensation insurance is a worker compensation insurance compulsory in Australia is worker compensation insurance required in UK. What is worker compensation USA general liability versus worker compensation insurance both policy deal with barely general and insurance protect when you click when your client breaks an ankle on your property and sue for medical expenses workers compensation insurance for a small business insurance compensation protects employee and medical and lost wages caused by workplace injury compare free quote from our top insurance provider with general liability insurance versus worker compensation the Hartford the progressive insurance general liability insurance versus worker compensation updated at 9:30 a.m. ED Friday April 2022 get coverage get our code today different between liability worker compensation insurance most of the business should have both general liability and a worker compensation insurance those policies help protect your business from different liability general liability insurance protect your business it may cause it may cause insurance to help protect your employer from work related injuries or illness take let's take a closer look at the difference between general liability insurance and work compensation. General liability insurance is a type of small business insurance that helps protect your business from claim that it cause property damage and bodily injuries to client visiting your business. This insurance is also known as business liability insurance or commercial liability insurance. Be aware that this type of insurance covers third party claims and does not protect your business property from damage or if your employee get hurt to cover your business you will need commercial property insurance general liability insurance also doesn't protect you against lawsuit from mistakes and professional services you provided to help cover because your legal fees for these lawsuits. You will need professional liability insurance. Learn about general liability insurance and what it covers. Worker compensation. Worker compensation is important for protecting employees at your small business. It provides benefit to help cover medical bills for your employees, and if they get hurt or sick get their job from their job. This coverage is important because it protects your employees finance, but it also help to reduce liability for work related accident. Most states require business to have worker compensation insurance. However, laws vary, and each state has its own regulation that decide which business need coverage. For example, state law in Nevada require every business with at least one employee to carry worker compensation. With worker compensation, your employee and their beneficiaries file a worker compensation complaint from helping paying medical resulting from your injury or illness caused by their work. Disability benefits if the injury partial or permanent disability, partial replacements of lost wages. If they take the time away from the work to recover that benefits to help protect the family funeral cost. If your employee passed in work related accident, then there's an important difference between worker compensation and employees liability insurance. If employee get hurt on the job receive worker compensation benefits. If they typically cannot sue their employer for negligence, they may however sue if they believe a worker compensation benefit do not cover their loss. If death and liability insurance can help cover this type of lawsuit. Learn about worker compensation insurance. Who need worker compensation. Each state has lawsuits which business need worker compensation insurance. Even if your business isn't illegally required to have worker compensation, it's still a good idea to purchase it without coverage. You will be liable for sick and injured employee and your employee won't get benefited to help them cover. Read about your state worker compensation insurance regulations. Who need general liability insurance. General liability insurance is a minimum coverage for the most states. Highly recommended for the small business owners and especially important if your business work with customers or their property. Often allow client or customers to visit has employees who work off-site. Do I need liability insurance and worker compensation because they protect you from different types of claims. It's important to have general liability and worker compensation covering. General liability insurance help protect your business from claim that it cause property damage, bodily injury. Worker compensation provide benefit to help your employees recover from work related injury or illness. It also limit your liability from these injuries and illness and make your following a lawsuit suit law and get a small business code worker insurance compensation. Learn more about how this coverage can protect your business and more answer and ask question. Business insurance question. What does business insurance coverage type of business insurance, how to calculate business income for insurance and definition of FAQs. Small businesses privacy and policy accessibility statement. Producer compensation EEO 2022. The Hartford shall not have liable for any damage and connection with the use of any information provided on this page because consult with your insurance agent or broker or insurance company. Our insurance companies is as educational in nature and the information could be contained on this page. This page should not be considered from the physical, legal, actual or financial or insurance advice. Our advice claim permanent will be determined following the claims and coverage by the state and may not be available to all businesses at all Hartford coverages and services described on this page may be offered by one or more properties and a casualty insurance company subsidiaries and the hardware financial services groups insurance group insurance listed in the legal notice the hard financial services group insurance NY SEHGH operates through the subsidiary under the brand name the Hartford and is headquartered in Hartford City. For the additional details, please read the Hartford legal notice. Legal notices to phrase read Hartford legal notice. Customer reviews are collected credit albeit and hard loss and non-specific to all the of the customers.